Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Remember those days when you used to have to hover over your toaster, making sure that it didn't burn your toast? Well, those days are over thanks to this beautiful, super simple, but really high-tech toaster from RONGBEST. This toaster not only aesthetically looks really beautiful and comes in colors that will coordinate with your kitchen, but it brings you right into the modern world. The toaster does not have clunky buttons. Rather, it has a wonderful touchscreen that is responsive and that works so well so that you can get great toast every time. Now the toaster itself has the typical wide slots at the top, so you can make regular toast, you can make bagels, you can also just use this as a defroster as well as just cooking one piece. The touchscreen is very responsive and easy to use, and it has lots of settings so that everybody in the family will be pleased with how well or not well their toast comes out. The toaster has that beautiful cream color that I went with on this one, and they have other color options as well that will really coordinate with your kitchen. This truly will bring you into modern times with this very nice, beautiful touchscreen toaster. I love that it actually really cooks great every time. So no more burnt toast, no more underdone toast, and the toast that needs to be defrosted will come out no time so that you can really enjoy your meal. And that's my point of view.